Hey guys, this is Sakshi, and this is my very first video of this year. I know I have been trying to do this very first thing since a long time, but somehow I always used to be very conscious about all these things. Whereas I am not someone who has stage fear or anything. I'm very confident that way, dancing around, anchoring, speaking. But when it used to be content creation, somehow I used to be very conscious that what if any one of the videos gets a little bit controversial, or what if I fail? So I'm posting for nothing and no one will support me, or what if anyone goes and says anything to my parents? Whereas my parents, especially dad, is very supportive. He's just like, तुझे जो करना है कर, जब तक तू अच्छा कर रही है, it doesn't matter. But somehow I used to be very self-consumed in all these things. The biggest problem I am facing is the niche. I tried some food reels because I'm a foodie and I keep exploring things. Then I get bored of it कि लोग 10 बार पिज्जा देख देख के क्या ही करेंगे, even if it is of 10 different places. I know it's not true, but that's what I feel. I do try a lot of videos on feminism, or just people on the internet who are very biased and my opinions on it. I even got this ring light, like my husband got this ring light for me, that you should start doing it, and I always struggled in finding my niche. That is the first big problem, and the second big problem is log kya sochenge. Whereas I am not someone who thinks too much about log kya sochenge. I just do what I want to do, and I have seen people being very consistent, and then people growing really well in all these things. And I have been very fond of content creation since many years, and I think I had a lot of chances to do it. Like during lockdown I had the chance and the time, but I was not emotionally stable at that time. Then I had chance last year when I was having a very rough patch in my job. I had a good enough chance, but again, I was very mentally exhausted and I did not take up that chance. Now, I again have a chance after my marriage, since I'm done with all the preparations and everything, and the biggest thing, one of the biggest thing of my life, and I think I give time to this again. I have finally got a chance to do it, so I should take it up. I still don't know if it is going to work for me or not, if it is going to go well, if people will like it, don't like it. But I think I am just done thinking about these things now, because I know I am not abusing anyone here. I am not speaking ill about people. Yeah, roasting people or speaking against the bad, that is a different thing, but nothing evil. I'm not doing any kind of immodest actions here that will take my name down or my family's name down or will affect them in any way. I'm sure about that. There has been times